168 students from Marian University's Tom and Julie Wood College of Osteopathic Medicine, all future physicians, are using their hands for another kind of healing.
Yeah, so the idea is to combine our mission in medicine project. So it's really just us coming out here and trying to get involved with our community.
Jasmine Carter, about to begin her first year of medical school, is joined by fellow students for MUWCOM's Day of Service, a 4-year-old partnership with Indianapolis-based nonprofit Home Repairs for Good, which helps older adults and people with disabilities with home repairs at no cost. Here, they're helping an elderly homeowner by cleaning gutters, removing yard debris, and repairing a shed.
Nobody's an island. Nobody can do all of this on their own. We don't have enough funding to do stuff on our own. Repairs are expensive. Labor to hire people is expensive. We rely on all of our volunteers heavily. And to have this huge Marian group in one day, we're able to knock out like 11 or 12 different homeowners projects.
MUWCOM students working in shifts on a hot and humid morning are helping homeowners in several locations. This one is on the northwest side of the city. Home Repairs for Good manages the work, provides all the equipment and supplies, and is on site to ensure the projects are completed safely.
I think that it's really important for a school to give back to the community that helped found it, especially Marian University, because without the community we would not be where we are today.
Before they ever wear a white coat, they're already making a difference. One home, one neighbor, one act of healing at a time.